Alright guys, we got my car back. So in total they made me pay $1,500. That's a lot of money, I know. But I'm pretty sure, in case you haven't gone and seen it yet, my previous video on Dogecoin and all that happened, basically it kind of sparked this curiosity of investing in this initiative to start putting my money and actually doing something with it. And ever since of the game stock has blown up, I have now gotten so invested into this that now I'm rolling big with the dough. This is actually just like $10. But let's actually talk about my investing plan for this year and how you can join me along this ride. Let's go. I hope that looked cool. Oh my god, I gotta pick these up. Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel here. My name is Carlos Quintanilla. Welcome back. Great to see your beautiful faces once again. Guys, welcome back to another video. I'm glad to see you guys ready, excited for today's video. And before we get started in today's video, why don't we go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Give it a like, and as well, we've actually made a little bit of modifications to the channel. As you can see, we are no longer being branded as Scarcity Lifestyle. We are just being known as Carlos Quintanilla. It's simpler. It's more easier, but we're gonna leave it as of right now, making a quick change in case maybe later down the line I do want to make another channel like that. But as of right now, this channel is gonna be left named as Carlos Quintanilla. But thank you guys for all your support, and with that, let's get right into today's video. Like I mentioned in the intro, a lot of us kind of got into investing because of the recent debacle which happened in Wall Street and the Wall Street bets with GameStop, AMC, Dogecoin. Ridiculous stuff, and a lot of us kind of got that curiosity to start investing again. I actually started investing in 2018, where I kind of dipped my toes a little bit in the waters to see how it was. However, due to some complications and some family matters, I ended up kind of forgetting about it. And really, it was because of this whole situation that has lifted up a huge initiative in me to start investing again. Now, of course, I can be like, man, I regret not investing, but I don't want to think like that. Let's just think about the here and now. It is February of this year, and we are going to talk about what is going to be my plan, my goals, and what I'm going to hope to gain by the end of this year in investing only. Now, these are my plans and these are my goals, and the reason I want to share this with you guys is because I've seen a lot of YouTubers. I like watching some Graham Stephan, I like watching some Andre, but the thing is, a lot of times these guys are already established, but then I sometimes wonder, I wonder see someone start from the bottom and kind of make it their way up that ladder. So I kind of was like, why don't I put myself out there? It's in a way as well, it's just as beneficial for you guys as it is for me. John Maxwell said, any goal that is not made public is just a dream hidden. So I kind of didn't want to just keep this to myself, and then, in case I fail, I don't want to continue. No, I actually want to continue. I actually want to see how far I can actually take this. So that's where this video comes in, and I do put it out there in case any one of you guys want to join me in this trip. I am gonna leave my link for Robinhood and my link for Acorns, the two apps that I'm gonna be using to invest in this year. I do hope that you guys join because those apps are great. I select them because I think they're the easiest ways in order for anybody to start investing. Robinhood, no commissions, means you can commission free trading, meaning you don't have to pay a fee on top of a trade. And also Acorns, it has that awesome roundup feature, and it just invests on its own kind of, so you don't really have to even give it much thought. Just put the money and let it do its thing. Now for these two apps, I'm gonna be selecting them because, like I said, they're the easiest, but I do want to be adding in some money. Now for this goals, I have taken into account my monthly revenue from everything that I make, and I'm gonna do it responsibly. Also, I'm gonna do it in a way that you guys can join along. For the first way I'm gonna do it is for the next 6 months. So from here to 6 months, I'm gonna be adding to my Robinhood $60 to $80 every single month. And to my Acorns account, I'm gonna be adding $60 evenly to that account every single month. So that means that on my Robinhood account, by the end of these 6 months, I'm gonna have contributed $480 into it. And for my Acorns, I would have contributed $360. That sounds like a pretty good amount to be as a recurring payment into them. And by the time I've reached these 6 months, I'm gonna do something crazy. After those 6 months, I'm gonna start adding $500 every single month, because these 6 months is kind of to get that adjustment into investing, into putting it, because after I get that and after you guys shake that off, we're gonna start investing heavily. Now, typically the stock market does average on a 10% annual return. So my goal by the end of next year is to have around $100,000. And because this year is very conservative, very cautious, I expect to make from anywhere from $5,000 to $15,000 by the end of this year. It really depends on how much I add to it, what type of returns I see. It really is gonna vary, because as of right now, what I have made is only $100 into the stock market. I only added $40, and as of right now, I'm averaging almost $100, which for me is like, wow, that's pretty good from just trading individual stocks. But I do get it. I understand completely. If you're watching this, you're probably thinking it's not that easy, Carlos. You have to, there's risk involved. You can lose big, you can gain big, but you can lose big just as well. I understand that, and I'm well aware of the risks, and I'm pretty sure that anybody who gets into this is pretty well aware about the risks that you and I are gonna face within the stock market. It can crash at any minute. It just, whatever you invest in, whatever position you may take, it can just drop immediately, or it could just go up immediately. You just never know. So that's kind of the risk involved, but I've learned that it's a lot of fun. Now, for me, I have taken these calculated risks because I do have goals. I've set these goals beforehand. You guys have seen the videos right here. I've already set these goals, and they're actually right here where it says that age 23, I want to have $100,000. That's by next year. Right now I'm 22. I turned 23 this year, but I have that time, and I want to have $100,000. That's my goal. That's my personal goal. And literally, little by little of investing, I do hope to make it to this goal right here that I set for myself. Now let's go back. All right. So the other thing is, I could have a lot more in detail stuff, what I could do, but I'm really just starting out in this. Like, eventually I do want to invest in some mutual funds, but honestly, like, I'm just getting started in this. So like, any advice that somebody might have for me, hey, put it down in the description down below. Let's chat, let's talk about this, because this is something that I think everybody wants to actually find out about. It's gonna be pretty fun, it's gonna be pretty cool, but let's just get right into it, guys. With that, that's gonna be it for today's video. I do hope you guys enjoyed, and with that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Leave it down below what you want to see and also what interests you. With that, talk to you guys next time. Peace out.
We never show emotions, we just keep it down inside. Yeah, you and I both longing for expression for the things we like, but we stay quiet.